If you're looking to see what's going on in the Peachtree Corners, Georgia market, you've come to the right place. As we're taking a deep dive into townhomes, condos, single family homes in Peachtree Corners. Whether you're buying or selling, you can't afford to miss this video, and we're jumping into it right now. My name is John McCoy, Keller Realty, Chattahoochee North. Been a realtor for 12 years and been an Atlanta native for 45. And I love giving my audience the latest and greatest numbers about the metro Atlanta market and more specific markets like here in Peachtree Corners. And I love for you to be the most informed audience out there. So if you're buying or selling a home, you know the numbers, you know them well, you know what's going on. So if you would rather be looking at not numbers, but what's going on in Peachtree Corners and what it's like to live here, I did some videos right here you can find. But if you want to know just the numbers and dive in deep to those, let's get started. So Peachtree Corners, Georgia, we are first looking at the single family home market. Just a quick overview. We got 2.4 months of inventory. That's super low. We're below that 6-month mark, so we're still in a seller's market here. Look at the sales to list price ratio, 101.4% sold to list price. That's like the days when the pandemic was happening and we're getting way above value. So interesting to dive in that deeper. And 14 days on market here in Peachtree Corners with the median sold price of $567,950. Change this up a little bit, go to townhomes and condos here. We're at 3.93 months of inventory, so definitely higher inventory. 99% sales to list price ratio, 19 days on market with a median sold price of $437 here in Peachtree Corners. Let's jump down a little bit to this median estimated property value. So these aren't sold homes at all. This is just looking at all the homes based on sizes and what's been the trends and what's gone on here and the values they're seeing. They get an estimated for all the homes in Peachtree Corners, Georgia. Looking at single family, the median estimated value for a home in single family home in Peachtree Corners, Georgia is $646,260. That's a change of 5.2%. So up 5.2% from last year, so that is above the inflation value. If you're looking at this chart down here, the red line indicates the U.S., the yellow line, the state of Georgia. The orange line is always going to represent the county. In this case, we're talking about Gwinnett County, and the blue here, Peachtree Corners, Georgia. And we can see Peachtree Corners sells higher than the state in the U.S. and Gwinnett County, much higher. So Peachtree Corners is a place, if you're looking for more high-end homes or higher valued homes, Peachtree Corners, Georgia is a place to look in Gwinnett County. Let's see here. Let's jump over to condos and townhomes. Much lower when it comes to condos and townhomes in Peachtree Corners for median estimated value here. It's actually below the U.S., the state of Georgia, and the county of Gwinnett. I think this is a little low. I mentioned in a previous video here, there's some big jumps and falls in these estimated values when it comes to these calculations. So sometimes I think they're behind, but when you start seeing values go higher and higher, all of a sudden there'll be a tick up. So I think this is pretty low in terms of the median estimated value for here in Peachtree Corners for a townhome and condo, but they got it at $282,850, still up 4.9% from last year. If you're watching this video and you're looking to list your home and you kind of want to know what the maybe value is of your home, I put a link down below. Click on it, you fill in your information, and you'll get an instant value for your home. Of course, if you put your information in, yes, I'm a real estate agent, I will contact you. Some of you out there may just be looking to just put it in there just to get an idea. You're not looking to sell right now, and that's perfectly fine. You want to kick the tires a little bit? Awesome. If you are looking to sell within the next year or so or less, when I contact you, I'd love to talk with you more, get over to your home, take a look at it, give you a more accurate idea of what your home could sell for. But that is below. Again, not going to bug you, but I will contact you if you do put your information in below. Like I said, keeping it real here. So again, that link's below. Let's continue on. Active listings on the market. So quick look here, but this is just the number of homes that are on the market that are not under contract. Peachtree Corners does cover a smaller area, so you'll see some fluctuations up and down here that are a little more than you would say like an Alpharetta area that covers, on market, there's like 600-700 homes at once. So only 42 homes on the market. Median list price of $652,499. 41 days on market is the median days on market here in Peachtree Corners. Look at a townhome and condo. 428 is the median list price here. 59 properties on market. 64 days on market. So more townhomes and condos here on market than we have single family. So that is an interesting number there. Let's look at pending listings. So this tells us a little bit more of a story. So these are homes that are under contract currently. Only 13 properties under contract with a median list price of 774,798. So higher value here. We don't even have the days on market, and that's all right. We can see these median prices continue to go up for the median list price. This isn't the sold price yet, so we'll wait for that to come out once they close. Townhomes and condos, 489, 347 is the median list price for ones under contract. 16 townhomes and condos under contract here in Peachtree Corners, Georgia. Let's jump down to the sold listings. It's median sold value. So I jump back to last year at this time for sold. We're looking at 550 as the median sold price, and now we're looking at a value of 556, 567.95. So definitely have gone up about $17,000 or so there. Only 10 properties sold, but again, smaller area here. This sales to list price ratio is interesting. 101.38, median days on market 14. So for the homes that are selling, you price it right, it's going fast. And this usually reflects multiple offers here. Now, again, we're only looking at 10, so small number, multiple offers happening here in Peachtree Corners, highly sought after area. If you go to townhomes and condos, 437 is the median sold price, 7 properties, again, lower, 99% sales list price ratio, 19 days on market. If you're putting those condos and townhomes at the right price, same thing with single family homes, you can get them sold pretty quickly. Month supply of inventory. So inventory is still low here in Peachtree Corners, 2.4 months of inventory. That's up 103.4%, which sounds crazy 12 months ago. However, 12 months ago, we were only looking at 1.9 months of 1.18 months of inventory. So yeah, still super low here in terms of inventory. Not alone on homes being sold, but also higher demand in this area. Going to townhomes and condos, that's a little bit different story. We're at 3.93 months of inventory. Back in November last year, we're at 2.63 months. So bigger change, and look at this trend. We definitely see an upward trajectory for inventory when it comes to this area. So maybe an area in the next few years, maybe it gets closer to a neutral market. Still high demand in this area. People love living here, especially families. It's been one of the highest rated areas for people that have families to move to. But even, whatever you're singles out there, I know Technology Parkway's attracted a lot. I know what they're doing at the Forum, with the Peachtree Corners Town Center, attracting a lot of singles and newlyweds out there. So it's a cool area to live in. So what are you seeing here in Peachtree Corners that maybe I missed? Drop a comment below. If you're looking to purchase a home here or sell a home here in Peachtree Corners, would love to talk with you more about that. Or if you're looking to buy or sell a home anywhere in Metro Atlanta. So my contact information is below. Please feel free to reach out. If you're looking for a city that maybe you haven't done yet, drop a comment below on that too. I'd love to hear where you'd find some interesting areas to look at to see what's going on in those markets. With that said, be on the lookout for videos as we drop these monthly, and another Peachtree Corners one will come next month, along with Metro Atlanta values. And if you're interested in different cities around the area, I like to highlight those as well and what it's like to live there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.